Well, got the brakes done on the trailer here. Had to put a brand new master cylinder, brake line. Got me a spare, got the mount for it as well. And ended up taking off the regular lights and welding these boxes with the LEDs on it, both sides. And I had these fenders ordered. It had the old fenders were not the teardrop style, so put these on and sanded it down just a little bit, put some red paint on it, went to a metal store and got these aluminum plates. I'm going to put them on top of there, both sides, so that'll be done pretty quick and easy. This is pretty pliable, so just going to drill a few holes and rivet it down in place. Should be easy. Eventually I'll do something with the wood. The wood's about a year and a half old. Pretty good. It's not weather beaten yet. I do have a nice winch. Really helps out a lot. So those are the old brakes that came out of it. It's easier and cheaper just to buy the loaded backing plates than just buying the shoes and the master cylinder. So went to down to an RV place and they had them in stock, so what the heck, 4 bolts and they're done. Gotta get the wheels cleaned up. Those buddy bearings, they do leak, so I'm putting regular caps back on. Bearings are nicely lubed, so it'll be fine. Not the best paint job in the world, but hey, at least it looks good and it's ready for towing. So I'm gonna do something with that brake on that not the brake, the license plate. Put it somewhere down in this area maybe, because here it extends farther than the fender, and every time I hit the wall with it when I'm backing it up. So that's a different project. But, all right, let's get to work. All right, let's see what we got here. It is, see what happens. Not bad at all. Let's pop this other one. I like it. Keep working. Well, I think it looks good. You step on it, it'll help so you won't slide off. So let's get on to the other side. That'll be our first one, that's our guide. Start on this side over here. Right here. Making progress. I think we're okay. I like it. Man, it's hot out here. I think we'll drill a couple here and a couple right here, and we'll be done. Well, here's what it looks like. Put a few extra rivets on it. I think that's going to look good once it's nicely cleaned up. Let's go look at the other side. Extra rivets on this one as well, so all in all I think it's going to be good. Finish up my LEDs right here. I'm going to rewire the whole thing. I already have LEDs in the back, so then we'll do the bed. Probably just get some black paint or something, I don't know, we'll see. But there we are. Thanks for watching.